Hi, my name is Roger. I'm the product promoter for technical chemicals in the Wurth group. Today I'm here with Wurth Australia and I would like to talk about our range of anaerobic adhesives and sealants. First, we start with our thread locker, medium strength. That's the ideal product to be used for all kinds of thread locking applications where a moderate strength actually is required. Connections like this can be easily reopened with the correct tool afterwards. To be continued with our thread locker high strength, same concept, but here you even use a professional tool to actually loosen the screw again. Our next product in the range is our bearing retainer, the ideal product for all kind of gluing applications when you need to replace some bearings in whatever application you are working on. The fourth product in the range is our pipe sealant, for example, to seal compressed air pipes or whatever. The next two products are flange sealants in two different versions. We talk about the gap filling capability of 0.3 millimeter and here about a gap filling capability of 0.5 millimeter to bridge the gaps actually. Last but not least, we have our motor sealant for all kind of sealing applications around motors, gearboxes and such kind of devices. Let me explain how the DOS cap actually works. Wurth has invented this DOS cap already many years ago. It's proven in the industry and actually it's very easy to just open the bottle with only one hand. Yeah? Also, of course, you can close the bottle again with only one hand and it makes it very easy to dose the amount of glue you would like to have in your application by just twisting the cap with two fingers. Let me quickly show you how that works by just applying some glue from our bearing retainer. Again, as already showed, it's easy to open with the bottle with only two fingers. Then you turn it around and gently press on the bottle and a small line of adhesive will actually flow out. There will be no spill, nothing at all. And it's easy to close the bottle again. And of course, if we want to do a wider bead, we need to open the bottle a little bit more and do the same application and we will get a higher dosage out of the system, enabling us to glue wider joints, larger joints. As you can see, it's really easy to work with our DOS application. It's unique, only Wurth has this kind of feature in the DOS range. The whole set of product actually comes with this rack, allowing the applicator a nice storage opportunity. Of course, also each product is available on an individual basis. Okay, that's the DOS system. In case you have any questions, don't hesitate to call up Wurth Australia or leave them in the comments. The DOS system ready for work.